I'm Kyle Shriver. I have my Google Business Profile and Google Analytics certifications, and I know you're extremely busy, so thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm gonna go over your Google Business Profile audit sheet, and for the most part, you're doing a fantastic job with your profile. However, there are a few areas we need to improve on. Number one is your photo quality. This is the first impression that customers are getting of your business. And right now, this is what it looks like. And we would prefer to see something more of this quality, a professionally high quality produced photo. Secondly is your videos. I didn't see a single video on your entire profile. And the reality is most customers now just want to watch a video versus go try to find the information for themselves. Thirdly is your update section. Now, this is your main line of communication with your target audience. So you're gonna wanna post 10 to 30 second high quality video clips here. You can do some photos for some sales and updates, things like that, but just make sure they're professionally produced quality. And lastly, just SEO everything. Make sure all of your content is search engine optimized. That way the algorithm can find it and put it in front of the correct target audience. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hopefully, if you made it this far in the video, you can see how important video is to your business today. If you have any questions, please reach out. We're happy to help. And always remember, if you're not branding with video, you're not marketing.